back to another video, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial how to make a mace and a Nerf blow darts. So first thing is you get like a little thing. I just cut it up. This is my other version trying to make it. It didn't go out well, but I know how to make it exactly. So you're going to need one of these. It's yellow. It doesn't matter what color. It's just going to be one of these. It doesn't have to be this long. It's about like, I don't know. As long as a ruler is good. And so, first thing, you need this, like usual. I'm going to put this right over. Sorry.
You need duct tape.
And duct tape or tape, whatever tape you use.
And you also need a cupcake.
Not a cupcake. That was a good one, though. But and you need a cupcake. No, you don't need a cupcake, guys. If you want, you can do a cupcake. So you need duct tape. Just like pull. You need some sort of ball. I just grabbed a stole dog toy by my grandma's. So you need that. You need at least some sort of a bullet, any type of bullet, Nerf bullet, anything. Try not to kill somebody, please. And you try to have 2 elastics to make it tough. Okay, so you want 2 elastics so it's not too hard and not too tough. You know what? You're gonna go over there. Oh yeah, that thing just started to go home. Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 9:02.
See? Perfect. Genius. Okay. So now what you're going to need is, or you can use marker, Sharpie, anything to decorate it, to make it look cooler. I'm not going to decorate it because it's not up to me. I might do a different video to continue this, like with a Sharpie. If you guys want to see really cool designs on it, I will do it. So first thing is you grab this, okay? It's really short. It's really easy too, okay? Oh yeah, you also need scissors. Don't cut yourself, please. Please don't cut yourself. You don't want anybody dead. Okay? So you're gonna grab your elastic and you're gonna put it on about right there. Well, I'm gonna need duct tape. Yo.
I'm actually gonna go on YouTube.
So be quiet then. So you're gonna grab not so big, maybe like this long of a strip or longer, depends how long your thing is. And then you're gonna like cut it like the usual. Okay, it's not that crazy. You're gonna cut it. Leave the duct tape back there. See? Once you got the duct tape, okay, I'm trying to get down the background. So you're gonna grab this. Okay, you're gonna place it about right. Try to make it as straight as possible, like a little flag. Okay, make a flag. Then grab both of your elastic. That's my elastic. Elastic. Where do you go, buddy? Oh, there, behind the camera. Then you want to put one elastic right here, right at the edge of it, or really close to the edge, or it might not work. Okay, you should guys all see that. Yeah. I'm gonna place it for a better view. Okay. It should be just a regular, just cut elastic up in half. Then you grab 2. Then you're gonna go back to your duct tape. Let's move this out of the way. And you're gonna grab, oh, I forgot, totally forgot. Then oh no, actually, not yet. Actually, yes. So you wanna try to close it up so it has like dangly things, okay? You wanna close it up pretty good, okay? And if there's a little thing off, it's not gonna do anything. It's not gonna make a huge difference. Then you wanna grab like the smallest slip, like about this small. If I can see, that small. Now cut that up. Try not to cut yourselves, please. I don't want anybody dead. And nothing was harmed of the making of this video. So try to make just a really small strip. Then grab your elastics and try to make them as straight as possible. And then place that little strip you did right there. But mine glued to the surface. Not too high and not too low. Try to do it about the middle. Of course, I didn't do that at the middle, so you do that. You see that, guys? So it's kind of still, so it won't dangly move. So that's what it looks like so far. Okay, now you grab whatever type of ball it can be. Try to be about this size. It's pretty wide. This size, or else it might not work if it's too heavy. Unless you want to swing somebody in the face as hard as you can do that. It's not up to me, it's up to you. So then, you grab the duct tape. This is the fun part, not too big and not too small. About half side 5 inches. I don't do inches, I do centimeters, so I don't know what you do. So I'm gonna grab this, close it up. You try to put the duct tape right on it, wherever spot. It does not matter what spot. I don't know about the side like that, or like at the top, whatever you're using. And then, sorry for the bad view. Then you grab the ball, the duct tape, try to press it down. If you guys do need 2-layer, I'm sorry, I should be using a hard ball, but I don't want to hurt anybody. So then you grab this and then you tape it. It's that simple, okay? Then you tape the elastics. Try to do a double layer. I would do a double layer if I were you, or anybody. And then you see like the little things, cut those. We don't need you, okay? Get out of my life. We don't need you. So try to cut those off. We might be using those, add some designs to the ball. I forgot. So once yours looks like this, it is now you built a mace. The blowtorch thing is like you literally put a bullet in like that and boom, do it. I'm gonna make it double layer so it doesn't fall off. Because I tried to make it the other one and the ball came straight off flying. I almost lost it. Okay, I can't find it. Thinking a lot, I found it really fast. I know where it went. I saw where it went. So I would probably maybe triple, double layer it so it does not come off. You don't want your ball coming off, even if you're a boy. Okay? You don't want it coming off. It's really bad and it's... So this is what it should look like. You can swing it around. What did I tell you? Okay, all you gotta do is pretty simple. You just gotta glue the ball on. Or if you guys want to use super glue, you can. Like the knot makes it, you know what? Guys, you know what I mean, okay? You know what? I'm gonna freaking triple. I'm gonna make 6 minutes. You know, I'm gonna get like cover the entire thing. Okay, I'm gonna cover the entire ball green. I don't know, it just like might look sick. There we go. Stay and be like that. Okay, game. Okay, ball. Okay, not game. Okay, ball.
It's mostly a dog toy.
It's a dog toy. I've already mentioned that, though.
You mostly stole it.
I did mention that. Okay, this is your maze. I hope it doesn't fall off. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. You can shoot the bullet, and when they get closer, you can boom, whack them.